Right now, somewhere, an AI is generating someone's next TikTok video each evening while they sleep. Voiceover, visuals, captions. For about $19 a month, it'll be ready each morning. They didn't film it. They didn't write it. They paid software to do all of it for them, and the only thing left to do is a 2-minute upload. If they do it wrong, the video will hit 0 views and stay there. Let me walk you through both: how the automation actually works and the one place almost every beginner gets it wrong. For around $19 a month, a tool like Faceless Reels will automatically generate one ready-to-go video for your channel every single day. You pick the vibe, like this trending creepy cartoon style. You pick the niche. You let an AI tool like Claude generate your initial sample script concept. You plug it into the software, and the generation model runs on autopilot. Here's a quick transparency note. The link to Faceless Reels in my description is an affiliate link. If you sign up through it, I get a small commission at no extra cost to you. That doesn't change my honest take on the tool. I'd recommend it the same either way. Now, if you're building your TikTok channel completely from scratch with the goal of hitting the platform's primary payout system, the Creator Rewards Program, you have to meet these hard baselines. You must be at least 18 years old. You need a minimum of 10,000 followers. You need at least 100,000 views within the last 30 days. And your videos must be at least 1 minute long. Thankfully, when you're setting up your automated series inside Faceless Reels, the platform lets you select the exact video length. Make sure you set it to over 60 seconds so every single clip is optimized for monetization right out of the gate. But here is the trap that almost every beginner falls into, and it will destroy your channel before you even get close to those 10,000 followers. Apps like Faceless Reels offer an option to completely automate your page by connecting your social accounts and auto-posting directly to TikTok. Don't do this, at least not for your TikTok account. Creators who've tested this report a clear pattern. When third-party apps auto-publish to TikTok, the platform's detection systems pick up on the automation signals and the account gets flagged. Reach plummets, sometimes to 0 or a handful of views per video, and stays that way until the auto-publishing stops. Some accounts recover in about 2 weeks. Some take longer. The fix isn't a setting you can toggle, it's removing the auto-publishing permission entirely and changing how you upload. The interesting thing is, this pattern doesn't hit other platforms as hard. YouTube Shorts, for instance, generally tolerates auto-posting from third-party tools without crushing your reach. So you can leave that connection on if you want, but TikTok specifically is the strict one, and TikTok is also where the Creator Rewards Program lives. So that's where you need to be careful. How do you keep the process lazy and simple without tripping that wire? You let the AI generate the video on autopilot. That part is fine. But you manually download the finished video and upload it yourself, natively, through the TikTok mobile app. It takes less than 2 minutes. And here's a small move creators who've tested it swear by. Before you hit publish, add one native TikTok feature, an in-app text sticker, or preferably a trending sound turned down to 2% volume. The theory is that re-encoding the file through TikTok's own tools makes the upload look like real human creator behavior rather than a piped-in automated file. Could be the file change. Could be the behavioral signal. Could be both. Either way, accounts that do this consistently report normal organic reach. Accounts that skip it often don't. Here's a quick bit of honesty about this whole approach. It's not a lottery ticket. Results depend on your niche, your hook, your consistency, and 100 other variables you don't control. Direct payouts are never guaranteed, but bypassing the automated upload trap gives you the best statistical head start possible, and the rest is volume and patience. The information presented in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Any examples or results discussed do not guarantee outcomes. Results may vary based on individual effort and market conditions. Please conduct your own due diligence before making business or financial decisions.